Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x cube plus x square is equal to 2 or x cube plus x square. Now taking this 2 to left side we will get negative 2 is equal to 0 or x cube plus x square. Now this negative 2 can be written as negative 1 is equal to 0. Or now rearranging left side we can write here x cube minus 1 plus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Or x cube minus 1 can be written as 1 cube plus x square minus 1 can be written as 1 square is equal to 0. Now from here we have used two algebraic formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, and a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Now we from apply these two solutions, so we can write x minus 1 times x square, that means x square, plus ab, that means x times 1 is x, plus b square, that means 1 square is 1, plus, now here we can write x minus 1 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Or now from here we common x minus 1, so we will get x square plus x plus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or x minus 1 times x square plus x is plus 2x plus 1 is plus 2 is equal to 0. Now from we have two solutions, so we can write here x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Or x is equal to, taking this negative 1 to right side we will get positive 1, so the first value of x is equal to 1 and it is a real solution. Now from here we have used quadratic formula, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to plus 2 and c is equal to plus 2. Or x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 2 over 2 times 1. Or x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 2 is 8 over 2. Or x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of negative 4 over 2. Or x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of negative 4 can be written as the square root of 4 times the square root of negative 1 over 2. Or x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, and we know that square root of negative 1 is I over 2. So there are two values of x is equal to 1 minus 1 plus I, and x is equal to minus 1 minus I. So there are total 3 values of x. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.